Getting a mobility aid in and out of your car trunk shouldn't feel like a heavy-duty weightlifting competition. For many of us, the fear of struggling with a heavy, awkward frame is the exact reason we choose to leave our equipment behind and stay at home. Today, we are reviewing a fan favorite from home healthcare shop, the Drive Nitro Duet. It is a brilliant, dual-function hybrid that transforms from a premium rolling walker to a sturdy transport wheelchair in seconds. But at 22 pounds, its multifunctional design can look incredibly intimidating to lift into a vehicle. Make sure to watch until the very end of this video, because I am going to reveal one single, overlooked design feature on this unit that completely changes the game for your safety. Something most people miss until they are already stuck in a parking lot. First, let's address the main concern, the weight. When you look at the padded seating system and the wheelchair components, it looks like it weighs a ton. But the secret to making this 22-pound hybrid feel like it weighs less than 10 pounds comes down to a simple preparation technique. Before you even attempt to lift it, you want to strip away the secondary weight. The footrests on the Nitro Duet pop off with a quick release mechanism. Instead of tossing them loosely into the trunk, where they rattle and make noise during your drive, place them in your back seat or a side door pocket. This immediately slims down the profile and lowers the active lifting weight. Next is the fold. Unlike traditional walkers that fold front to back and remain wide and awkward, the Nitro Duet features an advanced side-to-side fold. You simply pull up on the seat handle and the entire unit collapses into an ultra-narrow shape. Now, here is the critical detail. It features a built-in locking mechanism. Once it clicks shut, it stays locked. It will not spring open unexpectedly mid-lift, which completely eliminates the risk of pinched fingers or losing your balance. Now, how do you get it into the car without straining your back? Forget about a traditional deadlift. Instead of hoisting the entire frame into the air all at once, you use the bumper leverage technique. Stand close to your vehicle, bend your knees, and keep your back straight. Rest the large front wheels directly onto your car's bumper or trunk sill first. Once those wheels are resting on the car, the vehicle itself is carrying more than half the weight. From there, you simply lift from the back handle and smoothly glide it right into the trunk floor. If you are worried about scratches, placing a small moving blanket over your bumper solves it completely. The ultimate outcome of applying these steps is total independence. You no longer have to wait around for someone else to load your equipment, meaning your local trips become stress-free. Now, remember that critical safety feature I told you to watch out for? The absolute best benefit of the Nitro Duet is its hidden brake cable system. On standard rollators, brake cables hang loosely on the outside, constantly catching on car doors, trunk latches, or nearby bushes. One wrong snag and your brakes can snap. On the Nitro Duet, the cables are completely enclosed inside the frame, meaning they will never catch, fray, or leave you stranded without brakes. Don't let the fear of transportation keep you at home. Comment below with the specific car you drive, and let's get you moving confidently. Remember, this walker is linked in the description of the video and pinned comment below. And if you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel.